Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best stainless steel bowls small is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen tools you can own, offering durability, hygiene, and a sleek aesthetic that complements any culinary space, making them indispensable for everything from simple food preparation and mixing ingredients to serving snacks and storing leftovers with ease, ensuring your kitchen tasks are handled efficiently and stylishly every single day. Number 5. PriorityChef Premium Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls with Lid Set. Experience the difference with our premium mixing bowls. Crafted from thicker stainless steel, they are designed for a lifetime of use while remaining lightweight and easy to handle. Our innovative non-slip silicone base ensures the bowl stays firmly in place, no matter how vigorously you mix. Focus on your recipe, not on stabilizing the bowl. Simplify your prep work. These bowls feature etched measurements inside, so you can mix and measure in the same container. Available in 1.5, 2, 3, 4, and 5 quart sizes. Keep your ingredients and leftovers fresh for longer. The tight-fitting, BPA-free lids create an airtight seal, preserving the quality of your food. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. These bowls are top-rack dishwasher safe for your convenience. Please note, lids should be hand-washed. What we like. If you're looking for a robust set for serious bakers, this one is for you. Its thicker steel and non-slip base ensure stability during vigorous mixing. The etched measurements mean you can mix and measure in the same bowl, streamlining your prep work. What people say. These bowls are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The compact size of these small bowls makes them perfect for portion control and individual servings. Their polished finish not only looks sleek but also makes them easy to clean and maintain. Number 4. Bellemain Stainless Steel Mixing Bowls with Lid Set. Introducing our premium mixing bowls, crafted from thicker, heavy-duty stainless steel built to last. They resist dents, rust, and stains, maintaining their shape for all your kitchen needs. Each bowl comes with an airtight lid, perfect for locking in freshness and preventing spills. Use them for storing leftovers, marinating, or transporting meals with confidence. Enjoy stable mixing thanks to the secure non-slip silicone base. These bowls stay firmly in place on your countertops, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient food prep experience. This set includes 3 versatile sizes, 1.5 cutie, 3 cutie, and 5 cutie. They are ideal for everything from sauces and small batches to everyday mixing and bulk prep, fitting perfectly in your kitchen. Save cabinet space with their neat nesting design. These bowls are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and freezer safe for convenient storage, making them a practical addition to any kitchen. Whether you're baking, cooking, or serving, this set covers all your kitchen needs. They also make a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, weddings, or holidays. What we like. For those who value freshness and versatility, this set is an excellent choice. The airtight lids keep food fresh for longer, perfect for storing leftovers or marinating. With 3 versatile sizes, it's ideal for everything from small sauces to large dough batches. What people say. These bowls are made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. The small size is perfect for portion control and meal prep. They are stackable, saving valuable cabinet space. Number 3. KitchenAid K45 SBWH 4.5 Quart Stand Mixer Bowl. Introducing the 4.5 quart polished stainless steel bowl from KitchenAid. It's designed to be your go-to for all your mixing needs. This bowl features a comfortable handle that provides a secure grip, making it easy to maneuver even when full. Use this bowl from the very beginning to the end of your recipe. It's perfect for a wide variety of kitchen tasks. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply place the bowl in the dishwasher when you're finished, and it will come out sparkling clean. Enjoy the convenience of a dishwasher-safe design. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. This bowl is designed to fit select KitchenAid tilt-head stand mixers, ensuring a perfect fit for your appliance. Rest assured with our 1-year limited warranty. We stand behind the quality and durability of our products. What we like. If you own a compatible KitchenAid stand mixer, this bowl is a must-have accessory. Its integrated handle provides a secure grip, making it easy to maneuver. It's designed for seamless integration with your mixer and offers effortless cleanup. What people say. The bowls are made of stainless steel. They are small in size. Number 2. Bonza 2-piece replacement dog bowls. Introducing our set of 2 replacement pet bowls, crafted from high-quality stainless steel. They are designed to be a perfect fit for your pet's feeding station. These 12-ounce bowls are food-grade and ideal for both wet and dry food, as well as water. They are the perfect size for cats and small dogs. Cleaning up after mealtime is a breeze. Simply place them in the dishwasher for a thorough and easy clean, as they are rust-resistant. With a 12-ounce capacity, these bowls are perfectly sized for your feline friends and small canine companions. They are designed to stay put during meal times. More robust than plastic alternatives, their stackable design makes storage and travel simple. They are lightweight and easy to pack for on-the-go use. We are confident you'll love these bowls. They come with a 1-year warranty, and we're here to help if you have any concerns. What we like. This option is perfect for pet owners with small dogs or cats. The compact 12-ounce size is ideal for individual pet servings, and the durable stainless steel is easy to clean and resistant to rust. It's a practical and hygienic choice for your furry friends. What people say. The bowls are made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. They are a good size for snacks, dips, or small portions. The design is simple and elegant, fitting well with any kitchen decor. Number 1. Amytalk 8-pack 3.2 stainless steel sauce dishes. Introducing our set of sauce dishes, perfect for holding a variety of seasonings. From soy sauce to ketchup, they keep your condiments separate and flavors pure. These mini dishes are also great for serving appetizers, nuts, or even small desserts. Their compact size makes them a convenient addition to any table setting. Each dish measures 3.2 inches, holding up to 100 milliliters. They are compact and portable, easily fitting alongside your plate or on your kitchen counter without taking up much space. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these dishes are built to last. They resist rust and deformation, ensuring durability and ease of use. Cleaning up is a breeze as these are simple to wash by hand and are also dishwasher safe. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance after your meal. This package includes 8 individual sauce dishes, providing plenty for family gatherings or everyday use. They are a practical and stylish choice for any kitchen. What we like. If you frequently need small dishes for condiments or appetizers, this set of 8 is ideal. Their compact size is perfect for individual servings of sauces or dips, preventing flavor mixing. They are made from durable stainless steel and are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. What people say. The bowls are made of stainless steel. They are small in size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.